Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, mist and drizzle, low clouds and fog continue this evening in advance of a more potent storm system as far as rainfall amounts and intensity and the wind picking up as well. Let's take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. These little elements of light green that continue to come in off the ocean right now, and drizzle and mist. Nothing really heavy. Of course, the roads are wet, but certainly travel this evening manageable. But it does get a little dicey as far as slowing down highway speeds by later tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Once again, the flood watch. Watch means potential, possibility, whereas a flood warning means it's highly imminent or flooding is occurring. So we're in watch mode. 1 to 3 inches of rain during this time period from Wednesday afternoon to very early Christmas morning. So there may be some at least minor street flooding. I don't see anything extreme. As far as the rivers and stuff like that. So, big puddles on the highways, minor street flooding, those neighborhoods and low-lying roads that are normally a problem during heavy rain situations. So for Christmas Eve, the kid in me would love a little bit of snow. Not the case. There's just not a lot of cold air around, so periods of rain. The heaviest during the evening and overnight. The winds will start to pick up tomorrow evening, tomorrow night as well, especially Christmas. Christmas Day is a very windy day, and that likelihood of 1 to 3 inches of rain by Christmas morning, 9 a.m. Look at the reduced visibility now. Low clouds, fog, mist, drizzle. The consolation here, mid and upper 40s. We're well above freezing. The last thing we need, and of course with this kind of timing, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, any kind of travel problems with ice and snow, we don't see that. So looking good. So showers, drizzle, and fog tomorrow morning. I don't see anything real heavy during the morning. There'll be no street flooding other than fog and drizzle and some showers, 45 to 50, well above freezing. And then during the afternoon, I don't know how that got in there, but that's the temperature, 46 in Providence. And you can see mid-40s in most areas. So temperatures are very uniform. In fact, they've been holding in this general range all night long, so we don't anticipate any kind of a drop. So there's one system that's fairly weak going through right now, but a more generous area of rain, a stronger storm system. Let me show you the moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, right on the bottom of your TV set. Look at all this wet weather, widespread soaking rain, even some thunderstorms, and this is the moisture that'll be moving in a little bit tomorrow morning, more so tomorrow afternoon, and then really coming down by tomorrow night. Let me show you a Futurecast. Starts off this evening with clouds, fog, and drizzle, temperatures holding through the 40s. These blips of green tomorrow morning, this is 7 a.m. It's mist and drizzle, nothing really heavy. But notice how you start to see more of the green on your TV set by 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Widespread rain getting a little heavier. Ironically, the warmest part of tomorrow is not tomorrow afternoon. Look at 7 o'clock. It's in the upper 50s, and then after midnight tomorrow night, it's in the lower 60s. So yes, Christmas morning, we will wake up to heavy rain, thunder, and temperatures in the 60s. In fact, I believe Thanksgiving was a lot colder. It was in the 30s, so things kind of backwards here. So tomorrow morning, light showers. During the afternoon, slightly steadier, upper 50s, so very mild for this time of year. And then really the rain coming down hard and some gusty winds, so a little bit of a bumpy ride for the big guy, but otherwise should be okay. Threat tracker, low category tonight, in the moderate category tomorrow as far as the heavier rain and the wind. And I would extend that moderate ranking for Thursday, Christmas morning only. I do expect the sun to actually come out by Thursday afternoon. So it starts off stormy, rainy early in the morning on Christmas, but during the afternoon the sun coming up. But it remains very, very windy all day long, though it does dry out the second half of the day. Looking at dry weather for Friday, cool conditions, and right now the weekend's half and half. Saturday's your dry day, some rain coming back in on Sunday with a temperature of 45. So don't see much in the way of snow this week, just for the simple fact we don't have a lot of cold air in place.
All right, Tony, thanks. There's much more to come on